Welcome to Best Choice. The best SRX headlight is probably one of the most vital components of your 2014 Cadillac SRX, directly impacting your safety and driving experience. These assemblies are essential for clear visibility during nighttime driving and in challenging weather conditions. A well-functioning headlight assembly not only enhances your ability to see the road but also ensures that you are seen by other drivers, contributing significantly to overall road safety. Number 5. AmeriLite headlights for 10 to 16 Cadillac SRX. Are you looking to upgrade your Cadillac SRX headlights? These AmeriLite headlights are designed specifically for the 2010 to 2016 models. They offer a sleek, modern look and improved visibility. This set is a direct replacement for the halogen bulb version of your SRX. It's designed for the base and luxury trims, ensuring a perfect fit without any modifications needed. It is a complete set, including both the driver and passenger sides. These headlights meet or exceed DOT and SAE standards, guaranteeing quality and safety. You can be confident that they are made to the highest standards. Installation is a breeze with the direct OEM replacement design. You won't need to make any modifications to your vehicle. Simply remove the old headlights and install these new ones. We stand behind the quality of these headlights with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty. If you're not satisfied, you can return them. You can buy with confidence. What we like. This headlight set offers a hassle-free installation, saving you time and effort. It meets DOT and SAE standards, ensuring safety and quality. If you're looking for a quick and reliable upgrade without any modifications, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The headlights are a perfect fit and look great. The new headlights are much brighter than the old ones. Number 4. DWVO headlights for 2010 to 2016 Cadillac SRX. Are you looking to upgrade your Cadillac SRX's headlights? These DWVO headlight assemblies are designed specifically for the 2010 to 2016 models. They offer improved visibility and a sleek new look. These headlights are compatible with 2010 to 2016 Cadillac SRX models with halogen headlights. The package includes the necessary bulbs, so you can easily install them. Please note that it is not compatible with xenon HID headlight models. The integrated metallized reflectors significantly boost light distance. This ensures better visibility and enhances driving safety, especially in low-light conditions. You'll notice a marked improvement. The fully sealed structure prevents moisture from entering the housing. This design provides reliable performance in various weather conditions, including rain, snow, and dust storms. You can drive with confidence. Constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses, this headlight assembly offers excellent protection against road debris. The high-impact housing also withstands shock and vibration. It's built to last. These headlights are a direct replacement for your old ones. Professional installation is highly recommended. The package includes both the driver and passenger side headlights, ready to install. What we like. This assembly significantly boosts your visibility with its improved illumination. Its weather-sealed design ensures durability in various conditions. If you frequently drive in challenging weather or want enhanced safety, it's a great option. What people say. Fits exactly like original. Drastically improved visibility of my SRX. They come with all new bulbs including halogen low beam bulbs. Number 3. AKKON Cadillac SRX 2010 to 2016 headlight pair. This is a brand new pair of headlights from AKKON. It's designed specifically for the 2010 to 2016 Cadillac SRX models. The pair includes both the driver and passenger side headlights. The headlights come in a customized packaging and have never been installed before. You can be assured that it is a brand new product. It is ready to upgrade your car. This is a direct bolt-on replacement for your original headlights. No wiring or modifications are needed. It is designed to be a perfect fit. The headlights are DOT and SAE approved. This means they meet the standards for safety and quality. You can trust its performance. Please note that no installation guide is included. Professional installation is highly recommended to ensure proper fit and function. It is a great choice for your car. What we like. This headlight is a direct bolt-on replacement, making installation straightforward. It's DOT and SAE approved, guaranteeing quality and safety. If you prefer a factory style and want an easy upgrade, this is the one for you. What people say. These new headlights were installed in my 2016 Cadillac SRX and fit perfectly and look great. Great looking quality units matching original equipment and complete with all bulbs. I received the headlights last week, had them installed, they worked perfect, I went from dark to daylight. Perfect fit and looks good on my 2013 Cadillac SRX. Number 2. AKKON headlamps replacement for 2010 to 2016 Cadillac SRX. Introducing the AKKON headlamp replacement designed for your Cadillac SRX. This is a perfect fit for the 2010 to 2016 models, ensuring a seamless upgrade. This package includes both the driver and passenger side headlamps. It's a complete solution to replace your old or damaged headlights. Rest assured, this product meets all regulations in the USA and Canada. The headlamps are DOT and SAE stamped, guaranteeing safety and quality. These headlamps are designed as a direct replacement for your stock assembly. The lenses ensure full illumination, maximizing your safety on the road. Installation instructions are not included, so professional installation is recommended. Please note that a signature may be required upon delivery. We offer a 30-day return policy for your peace of mind. If you're not satisfied, you can return it within 30 days. What we like. This headlight meets all regulations in the USA and Canada, ensuring compliance. The lenses ensure full illumination for maximum safety. If you prioritize safety and want a reliable replacement, consider this. What people say. Looks great and solves the dim SRX headlamp problem. These replacements are outstanding in light volume to the road in both width and distance. They have a solid product that fits just like the factory. Number 1. Autosaver 88 headlights for 2010 to 2016 Cadillac SRX. These headlights are designed for the 2010 to 2016 Cadillac SRX models with halogen headlights. They are a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit. Please note that they are not compatible with xenon HID headlight models. The headlights are fully sealed with solid silicon and feature one-way vents. This design prevents moisture from getting trapped inside, so you don't have to worry about corrosion or moisture issues in any weather. The metallic parabolic reflectors inside provide increased light output. This results in a broader and smoother beam, improving visibility while driving at night. The side microprism reflector makes your vehicle more visible to other drivers. This feature enhances safety by making sure other cars and pedestrians can quickly notice you at night. The polycarbonate lens and tough housing are built to withstand shocks and vibrations. This ensures the headlights can handle any road conditions. Professional installation is highly recommended. What we like. This assembly features a waterproof design, protecting against moisture and corrosion. It provides brighter lighting for enhanced visibility. If you value safety and drive in various weather conditions, you should consider it. What people say. The installation process was straightforward and the assembly fit perfectly, without any issues. The new headlights provide excellent illumination, offering much clearer and brighter light compared to the old ones. They fit like factory and the appearance looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.